Say hi, it's your mom. How's it going? He wants everything that I have. Boom. What's happening? Tell your mom I'm Reaganing today. Just like the Gipper. We haven't made a mistake in like 24 hours. Look at him go, Carrie. Check him out. He's having a blast today. Oh, almost made it. You're doing great, son. Watching golf. Boom. We're watching Logan. Boom. We're having a glass of vino. Boom. So, yeah. What are you doing over there in the corner? Yeah, I know. It's amazing. He just had a bottle. He wasn't ready for a nap, so we're rolling with it. That's all there is to it. What are you grabbing onto? What haven't I secured over there? Yeah? Look at how tall he is. It's crazy. Yeah? What's going on over there? Logan. He's biting the gate. Logan. No, you don't care, huh?
Championship alongside Tiger Woods. In February of that year, citing the Americans with Disabilities Act, he sued the PGA Tour for the right to ride a cart in competition. And the tour fought back with the heavy. Who can have a cart? Who couldn't have a cart? Who has to walk? Who can't have a walk? I don't think you'd ever do it. How did that make you feel when the PGA Tour had Nicklaus and Palmer testifying against you? You wanted to kind of debate with them, but it was also, I mean, I was 23
All right.
at the time thinking, they know who I am, you know? And so that's just kind
That's all he's doing right now. 3 minutes of Logan. All right, baby, I love you. Come here. Actually, you know what? Come here. Come here. Come see me. Here he comes. Come see her. Say hi to mom. Say hi to mom. Hi. Hey, bud. Logan, come here. All right, well, we're going to sign off. We're having a blast here. All right, love you. Enjoy. Bye-bye, babe.